Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a convertible top on a Ford Mustang. First, gather all necessary tools, including a staple gun, various wrenches, and screwdrivers. Make sure you have your new convertible top, along with new tension cables and strong contact adhesive. Always park your vehicle on a flat, stable surface and cover the interior to protect it from any dirt or damage during the process. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient replacement. Next, we will remove the old convertible top. Begin by carefully detaching the rear window section and the side tension cables from the frame. These cables are crucial for proper top operation. Then, unbolt the entire convertible top frame from the car's body, typically involving about 6 to 8 bolts. Finally, meticulously remove all staples and any remaining adhesive that secures the old fabric to the frame, preparing it for the new material. Now, it is time to install the new top fabric. Carefully position the new convertible top onto the frame, ensuring it is perfectly aligned. Begin by securing the front edge of the fabric to the header bow using a staple gun and a strong contact adhesive, typically applying staples every 1 to 2 inches. Then, attach the rear window section and reconnect the side tension cables to the frame, ensuring they are taut for proper function. For the final steps, reinstall the convertible top frame onto the car, tightening all bolts securely to ensure stability. Once reinstalled, operate the convertible top through its full range of motion several times to confirm smooth opening and closing. Carefully check for proper fabric tension, alignment, and any potential leaks around the seals, especially near the windows. This ensures a professional finish and a fully functional new convertible top.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.